Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if you are unable to install your Windows operating system like Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 8 and you are getting this kind of error window. No device drivers were found. Make sure the installation media contains the correct drivers. So to fix this error, you have to open your command prompt. So first cut this window. After that, cut this window as well. Click on yes to quit. Now click on this option, repair your computer. Now you will get this kind of blue screen. Click on troubleshoot, then click on command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands. So let's start with our first command, disk part, press enter. Now type the next command, list space disk, press enter. Now here you can see disk 0. So disk 0 is my real hard drive, my 120 GB hard drive in my laptop, and disk 1 is my USB pen drive of 8 GB. So you have to select your main hard drive, disk 0. So type the next command, select disk space 0. So the command will be select space disk space 0. Press enter. So disk 0 is now the selected disk. Now type the next command, clean. Press enter. Now type the next command, create partition primary. Press enter. So now you can see disk part succeed in creating the specified partition. Now type the next command, the final command, format space fs equal to ntfs space quick. Press enter. That's it. Disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now type exit. Type exit again. Press enter. Now do the same thing. Try to install your operating system again. So click on turn off your PC. Start the installation again. Now click on next. Click on install now. So now my hard drive is showing. This is my real hard drive of 120 GB. Select your hard drive, then click on delete, then click on OK. Now select the unallocated space, click on new to create a partition, click on apply, click on OK. So the partition has been created. Now click on next to install your operating system.